Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over A Life-Saving Gun by Phish. I just recently heard this song about a day or two ago. I'm a little late to the party here, but really cool tune. Definitely enjoying this one, so excited to break this one down for you guys. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are returning, you already know. Let's go ahead and hop in. All right, so we're gonna start with this riff here in Life-Saving Gun. Pretty cool, pretty easy. So we're just playing an E flat here. And if you listen, you can hear it's definitely more of a rocking song. So that rhythm is like a kind of like three down strums, but or you can do down, up, down, up, down as well. On that there, just on the low E string, we're just hammering 2 to 4, and then 4 to 6. In that E flat, so we're just barring our 6th and 8th frets here for the E flat. So they'll play through that. Like I said, they'll play through that a bunch of times. I think between the intro and the first part of the verse, I think they'll play it like 19 times before they do anything different. So as you're playing that, so it will eventually go to this A flat, G flat section, and then right back to it. That'll happen twice there. So after the first time that you hit that A flat, G flat, that Life-Saving Gun piece, we'll do this riff 2 more times. You hit it again. So they'll play on that a few more times. Then there's a quick little pause, and Trey will switch into this. And they will do that for some of the singing of the second verse as well. So all we're doing here just on the G, hammering on from the 6th to the 8th. Then you can come and hit the 8th fret here on the D to go back into that 6th fret there. And what's really cool about this, I mean, here that it's obviously very, very simple, straightforward to play, but kind of gives you a starting point for soloing if you want to solo on the song, because that's pretty much where Trey starts the jam. He's starting right here, so at least gives you a starting point for the jam. And so after that section, you'll have the chorus. So from there, we're playing E flat, D flat, A flat, back to E flat. So after they go through that chorus section a few times, I'll come back to the and they'll pretty much will kind of play on that until they until they get into the jam. So the main section of the song, right? We've got the D flat, or sorry, the E flat riff, and you have an eventual A flat, G flat. And again, you have the this section here. And then we again got the chorus. And so the jam I believe it also starts with that chorus progression, and that's what I was looping a little bit earlier. So like I said, because of this little riff here, because of that section, that does give you a starting point for jamming over the song, or over that progression. That's what I was just kind of messing with there. So just kind of bouncing back and forth on that, so that's 6th, the 8th fret here. And then that's here on the B, so 9th fret here. Nice little bend up. And then pull off on that 7th. And then 8th fret here on that B. So guys, that's how you can play a life-saving gun. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below, and see you guys again soon.